Hey guys, welcome back. So I got this Lego ruler right here from a store, and it's just like it's really weird. It's like it's from like 2015. It's just a ruler made out of Lego, pretty much. It's got these really weird like printed ruler pieces. I'm pretty sure they're printed. I don't know, but they look really weird. So I'm gonna show you guys it. Well, show you guys it in this video. So let's open it. Okay, so I'll show you the box just real quick. It says 6 inches to 12 inches. I think that's probably just the ruler size that it can be. In the back just shows you some stuff. Just really simple stuff. It shows like you can clip a pen, Lego piece thing on there and stuff. But the box is pretty basic, just studs on the sides and everything. Let me open this real quick. So actually there's only one piece of tape on this. I don't know what happened to this piece of tape. It must have fallen off or something. I don't know. I hope everything is complete in this, but all I need to do is just stick my knife just somewhere in there. Oh crap, how do I? Seems kind of confusing. Alright, like that, I think. And maybe a little bit more. Oh no, I feel like I cut myself. Is that? Oh, okay, that's good. I can open it now. Okay. So, inside, I gotta open this. It's really. Okay. There we go. Okay. This is, there's. I think that's. Oh no, there's instructions in there. Right here. There's instructions and this little paper thing. So, yeah, let me show you a little bit more. Take a little bit closer look at the pieces. I already noticed some really weird pieces in here. I'll tell you what they are in a second. It's just really weird. I don't know how to open this. I'll just use my knife again. I don't want to cut myself. Okay, good. That'll work. So let's find that hole and cut right there. Okay. So, okay, I dump this out. You can see all the pieces. This actually has a lot of pieces. But so the really weird pieces are these right here. Like these are like Lego base plates, but they're 4 blocks wide. It's really weird. Like look at this thing. Doesn't that look odd? Like I don't know if this is an actual Lego piece before this came out. But another more really cool pieces are these are all printed. All these 1x8 tiles, which is super cool. So just like you can like make a ruler pretty much with these pieces, which I think that's really cool. But other than that, just like some weird colored plates and stuff. So yeah, let me show you the instructions. So if I unfold the instructions, it just is pretty much basic instructions, but they're a little weird. I don't know if you'll be able to tell very well, but it looks like they did like a digital render. And just like stuck them in the instructions, so it looks like a lot more realistic than regular Lego instructions. So it's kind of a little different, but it tells you like how to build them and stuff. On this side right here, it tells you how to build the 12-inch long one. On this side, it tells you how to build the 6-inch long one. It tells you all the pieces and everything. So let me build this. So this is the ruler right here. As you can probably tell, it goes from like the rainbow colors. It's rainbow colors right here. So it goes from red all the way to like black right there. But you can kind of see, well, you can probably see all the like the inches on this side and then the centimeters on this side. Those pieces are really cool because they're all printed. I don't know what to do with them, but like that's just a really cool piece to have. All those different like all those printed plates and stuff. And there's also 2 extra just spare pieces right now. It doesn't come with any other like spares. These aren't necessarily spare pieces. These are meant for the smaller ruler, which I'll make for you guys in a second here. But these are meant to make the shorter version of the ruler. So other than that, it doesn't come with any like actual spare pieces. But yeah, so that's the ruler. The plates on the bottom are really weird. I've never seen plates like that before, but yeah, so let me build a shorter ruler for you guys. Okay, so this is what the smaller like 6-inch ruler looks like. So it's just like this. It uses 2 1x8 tiles, and then it uses the 1x4s on each end. This 1x4 is right there, and then the other 1x4 is right there. So those are where the other two 1x4s are, but they don't give you enough tiles to make two, so you're gonna end up with like all these spare pieces right here. I'm showing you all. Those are all the spare pieces you'll end up with making a 6-inch ruler, which is kind of annoying, but I wish that you could just make two 6-inch rulers. I think that'd be nice. But instead of using like these three like plates underneath the colored bricks, they actually use the other colored plates underneath these colored plates. I thought that was a little odd. I thought they could have just used like the light gray one, light bluish gray one right there. I don't know why they didn't. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much the same as the 12-inch, just a little shorter. It's got the same tiles and everything there. But yeah, I thought this thing's got some really weird pieces. Like, I don't know if these pieces have ever come in any other sets. They're just really interesting and different. And then these prints, I doubt have ever come in any other sets. But yeah, these are the rulers. So I have another ruler here, so I'll just line them up to see if they're the right like length and everything, the Lego one. So yeah, it looks like it is just every centimeter on that side, and it goes all the way down from what it looks like. And now if I do the inch side, if I do this side, this one, it lines up right there, yeah. It's like the same size as this ruler. Also something I wanted to mention real quick, I don't know if it's on this one. Yeah, it's not really on these ones, but when you make the 12-inch ruler, there's this white space right here, probably because it doesn't line up perfectly with the 20 stud long things well, it's like 40 studs long, but it doesn't line up perfectly, so you have to have this little white blank space on the tiles. I thought that was a little funny. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. So make sure to let me know if you liked it by liking the video down below. It just helps me know what types of videos you guys like. But yeah, this was the ruler. It's pretty interesting to have a ruler made out of Lego, which is something I didn't know existed before. But the pieces on it are really cool. Like, they're really interesting pieces, so it's nice to get all these really weird pieces. So yeah, but I have other Lego reviews down below in the description of like my playlist of them if you want to see other reviews I have. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.